Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Samsung F41. So basically as per my previous video I have told you that the One UI 2.1 core update is already available as and when you will be purchasing this phone. Maybe you might have to wait 1 or 2 more days once you will be start using this particular phone. So I'm just notifying you that I'm like after this particular video I'll be going to download this upgrade, and afterward I'll be creating a review video in the coming 1 or 2 days or at most 2 to 3 days, and I'll be providing you each and every bit what is working, what's the battery consumption, how's the camera features and so on. So using this video I'm just going to notifying you that this is an update available. So according to changelog they have mentioned that few new camera features related to filters, single take, night hyper lapse and so on. After all, overall stability of functions improved, then security of your device has been improved and so on. And a part of this, the security patch level would be upgraded to 1st September 2020. And let me confirm you that at present the security patch level installed on our phone or this particular phone is August 1st 2020. So after this video, I'll be going to install this, and afterward I'll be reviewing my part, and I'll be surely creating a videos in the coming days as well. So stay tuned till then. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.
Let's synchronized.